Hey, what's up, Finance Brothers and Brotes? Welcome back to Finance Bro TV, your go-to channel for all things money and investing. And today we're starting an essential series on how to create a budget. This is part 1, where we'll dive deep into what a budget is, why it's crucial, and the incredible benefits you'll get from having one. Let's jump right in. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a budget? A budget is a financial plan that outlines your expected income and how you plan to spend or save it over a specific period, usually a month. Think of it as your personal money roadmap. It tells you where your money is coming from and where it's going. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a budget? Well, let me break it down for you. Budget is essential for several reasons. First off, it gives you financial control. Without a budget, you're basically flying blind. You might end up spending more than you earn and getting into debt. But with a budget, you're in the driver's seat. You know exactly where your money is going and can make informed decisions. Secondly, a budget helps you build savings. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or your next vacation, budgeting is the tool that will help you reach your goals faster. When you budget, you can set aside a specific amount each month for savings and watch it grow over time. Thirdly, and this is a big one, a budget helps you reduce and manage debt. If you have credit card debt, student loans, or any other kind of debt, a budget allows you to allocate extra money towards paying it off. By prioritizing debt reduction in your budget, you can become debt-free faster and save on interest payments. Alright, let's break these benefits down a bit more. Financial control is all about empowerment. When you budget, you're telling your money what to do instead of wondering where it went. It's a proactive approach to managing your finances. You'll start to notice patterns in your spending and can make adjustments to improve your financial health. Now, let's talk about savings. A budget makes saving money a priority. By planning your expenses and sticking to your budget, you can free up money that might otherwise be wasted. This means more money in your savings account for those big-ticket items or unexpected emergencies. And about debt reduction, this is crucial for financial freedom. High-interest debt can be a huge burden, but a budget helps you tackle it head-on. By allocating extra funds towards your debt payments each month, you can reduce the principal faster and save money on interest. It's all about making your money work for you. So, to recap, budget gives you financial control, helps you build savings, and enables you to reduce debt. These are game changers for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. In the upcoming parts of this series, we'll go through step-by-step how to create a budget, set financial goals, track your income and expenses, and more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Finance Bro TV, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next part of our budgeting series. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you want us to cover. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're the boss of your money. Peace out.